Back in the day when I was applying to colleges, like you actually got brochures, like you got these little books. And I remember getting this book, and on the back of it, the past president, Howard Thurman, was a theologian and a scholar in history. There was this quote. It said, "Morehouse holds above the head of her students a crown she challenged them to grow tall enough to wear." And I'm not going to tell you at 16 I knew the depth of that quote, but something about it grabbed me and never let me go. And that's the inspiration and the impetus for starting with the crown. Right? We start with the crown and not the kids. So you got to establish that crown. Where is it you want every student to go? So and there's only one crown. There aren't different crowns for different kids. There is one crown. Right? Coach Lisa told you, if I gave her time, she could create the crown and identify 5 things that it doesn't matter who the kid is, where they're from, what they look like, how much money their parents make or don't make. These are the 5 things she wants every kid who comes to her point guard camp to walk out with. That is equity. That's equity. That's it. As soon as you decide that you've got equity and you grow the kid to the crown, you don't bring the crown down to the kid. You grow the kid to the crown. That's equitable practice.